So we have a question from Shailin on Facebook, and she's asking about music frequencies that would work well for manifestation and for healing. Is this something that you can talk a little bit about?
If the music improves your mood and makes you feel better, you can use it. But as far as the tones and the vibrations go, compared to the energy that we are generating and sending out, it's microscopic. It has virtually no impact compared to what we are able to do, because your love, everyone's love, is so powerful. It's such a generating force. And our intention and our will and the projection of this energy is amazing. And the music, if it helps you in your mood and your feelings when you're doing the work, great. But it's not necessary, but it's optional, and it's certainly lovely if you find the right piece of music to help you get into a place. You know, this reminds me of another topic that ties in, which is that most people reserve their love for their child, their spouse, their parents, their deep, closest friends. But when you're working with quantum touch, you can tap into the depth of your love for a stranger and hold that energy for an hour. Just working on somebody, loving them and not knowing them, or not really having any intention of being close, but you can be in a state of love. So it transforms the practitioner by entering these states of loving consciousness for an extended period of time. And most people don't get any opportunity to do that in their life, where they say, oh, I'm just going to feel this love for an hour, and I'm just going to broadcast love. So it's a whole nother dimension of benefit that quantum touch provides, both for you and the person you're working with, or it could be yourself if you're writing energy into yourself. So these are things to consider when you're looking at the big picture.
That's great. Such an interesting question. I know that sometimes I'll put on music as I'm running the energy, and some days it seems to really support it, and then other days I have to change it, or it's a different type of music. So I'm glad you really explained what's happening. So when it's supporting the process, then it's great. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Richard, and thank you to Shailin for your question.